excuse me, girl. Excuse you.
Online privacy protection.
Wait, what? Oh my god!
Part 2.
You wanna go outside? You want some big booty bitches? Just like your old man.
Sorry.